Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this blur duplicate video effect on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, go to cutout, select auto cutout like so, and just copy and paste it once again once you've cut it out. Then you're going to go to lens here and you're going to select blur and you're going to place it to the second one. If you can't see, just like drag it and place it to the left a little bit. Then add in motion blur a bit. And then after that, that's it really. You can adjust the blur if you'd like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. That is it. Goodbye.